Uh, yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So first, what you are going to do is you are going to draw the multiple bar graph. I've already explained. Do you want me to explain it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because the previous class your internet connection was not good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So over here, for example, this is the question, the performance of the student in the first term and the second term, right? So they are asking you to form the double bar graph. Okay. So
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
how to form the double bar graph? Over here, first thing, you will make it like this, right? The normal, the
Yes, ma'am.
graph which you make, everything will be same, but the only thing is that it will be a double bar graph. Over there, it was a single bar graph, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So let's just start. So first, very first thing, you will make it like this. Okay. Then what they are saying is they over here, they will this side will be marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see the
Yes.
lowest marks is 67,
Yes,
65,
ma'am.
right? And the highest goes to I think
80.
88, right? So you can
95.
95, right? So you can
Yes,
make
ma'am.
it like this. You can make a break even line here, right? Then 0, and you can start from 60 onwards, right? 60,
Yes, ma'am.
65, 70, 75, 80, like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or instead of doing this as well, like if you don't want to make a break even line, then one more alternative is with you. You can take 10-10 gap, right? 10, 20, 30, like this. Okay.
Yes.
Then over here, what they are asking you, they are telling you the subject. So for example, for English. So first slot this one will be for English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So English, the term one is 67. So for example, 67 comes here. Okay.
Yes.
And in the second term, it is 70. So here itself, you will make 70. Done for English.
Yes, ma'am.
Then for Hindi, it is 72. So for example, 72 is here, right? And for the second term, it is 65. So 65 is here. Okay. So this is will be your Hindi. Like this, you have to make, and what you will not shade this one, but you will shade the second one. So that just by looking at the data, you can say this one. And over here, you will make it like this, that the blank one is term 1 and the shaded one is your term 2. Clear? Got it? How to make? Yes, guys? Got it? Guys. Guys, can you hear me? Okay, guys, you got it? How to draw it?
Ma'am, I got disconnected, ma'am.
Yes. So do you want me to explain it again?
Yes, ma'am. Like the
Okay.
screen got stuck and I got disconnected.
Yes, because I was saying guys, and there was no response.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I hope you can see it now, right? So this is
Yes,
how
ma'am.
you have to draw like English, this, then Hindi,
Yes.
then you will come to math. So for example, math, it is 88. You made it 88. Then the second term was 95. So this. So here you will write maths and this one you will shade. Okay.
Yes.
And this one is important. What you have to do once you are done, you will make it like this. The blank part is representing term 1 and the shaded part is representing
Term
term
2.
2. This is what, and I think over here you will write scale as well. Like 1 centimeter is going to represent 10 marks like this.
Yes.
Okay, if you are taking 20 marks, you can take 20 marks, whatever you feel like. And here x-axis, these are your subject, these are your marks, like this you will make. Just draw it, and after that, there are few questions here that you have to answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
the worksheet which is sent
The
for
what?
the data handling. The worksheet for which is sent for the data handling, the question. Which as
The
homework.
same question?
No, like in like
It
WhatsApp
was the
you
same
sent
question,
only.
right?
I think so. In that we have to take PDF and we have to do, or we have to write it on paper and.
No. Just write it in the paper, click photo and share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, Sachin. Where are you?
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
I lost track in time. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so we were just discussing the question which I gave in the homework. Okay, so this one we discussed, and now after this, just discussing the answer, then I'll move to the new question. So you will start from there, Rasheen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So coming to the question says, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, I'm just discussing the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So the question itself asks the question which I gave as a homework as well, and this is the question for double bar graph. Okay. So the question, first thing, you will make a double bar graph like this. Okay. Then the first question here says, so listen to me, both of you, because this is how you have to answer the questions. The question says, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? Right? So what you are going to do, how will you get to know see, just by looking at the bar graph, even you will get to know that he has improved. But in case if you don't have the bar graph, what you can do, you can subtract. Like from 67 to 70. So 67, 68, 69, 70. So he has improved 3 marks here. In Hindi, he has 72 it was, right? And now it is 65. So not that much good. It has coming down. 88 to 95. So 88, 89, 90. 7 marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And here 81 to 85, 4 marks.
4 marks.
And from 70 to this?
2.
2 marks, right? So in which subject he has improved? This one, math. Right?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
he has improved with the 7 marks in maths. Then next is in which subject is the improvement the least?
Hindi.
Ma'am, Hindi. Hindi.
Now next, has the performance goes down in any subject? Okay, wait. In which subject the improvement is least? Improvement is there, but there is a least improvement.
Ma'am, social science.
Yes, right? And which
Yes.
subject has gone down?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi, right? So this is how you have to answer your questions.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, can I go get my pouch?
Yes. Quickly get it. And I hope now you people can see this question, right? So once you
Yes.
bring the pouch, you will start. And Kais, you can start with this. Same question,
Yes.
double bar graph you have to make. Then you have to answer these questions.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Ma'am, finish.
Okay, guys, we'll just wait for Tasin.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so let's just discuss the answers. Okay, so over here, how you people did it? What was the scale you people took?
Double bar graph.
Yes, and scale.
Scale
1 centimeter equals to
1 centimeter equals
One
to
1
100.
centimeter equals to 100.
100. Yes,
Yes.
right. I hope you people have made it like this only, right? Like
Yes, ma'am.
100, 200, 300, like this, right? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
this part is watching people, and this part is the people who are participating, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, which sport is the most popular?
Ma'am,
Cricket.
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 Yes.
And second, which is more preferred, watching or participating in the sport?
Watching.
Watching.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay. Now coming to the next question over here, right? Just listen, just have a look in a very good way and then do it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You can start.
Ma'am, double bar graph.
Yes. What do you think? Just by looking, what do you think? Two datas are given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So automatically double bar graph. Even they have mentioned it, plot a double bar graph. Okay, and after that, once you are done with this, then you have the like just draw it and then I'll scroll it down. You have 1 or 2 questions. Okay.
in tuition right now. Studying on tuition. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, guys.
Oh no, ma'am. I was just checking if I got disconnected because no, there was no noise.
Okay, okay. No. I'm just waiting for you people to say we are done so that we can discuss. Are students done?
Yes, ma'am.
Tashin, you are also done? Tashin,
Ma'am.
you are also done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay. So I hope your graph look like this, right? You can take
Yes,
the scale for 10 or you can take it for 5, whatever you want.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. It-
So now, first is which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Jammu.
Jammu and Bangalore.
Oh, Jammu, ma'am. Yes, Jammu, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
So Jammu has the largest difference. Why Jammu and Bangalore?
Um,
They are
be,
asking you You have to tell me only one city which has the highest difference. So the only difference between maximum and minimum is in Jammu, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Jammu it is 41 and then the minimum is 26. So when you will subtract it, the highest difference comes in Jammu. So the only answer will be Jammu. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
And the second question, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest?
Ma'am, can you scroll up, ma'am? 1 minute.
Have you done the questions? No, na?
No.
Okay, sorry. These are the questions. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly do all the questions. First, I've already told. Do second, third, and fourth. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll up for 1 second? I want to look at the table. Okay, ma'am, done. Ma'am, can you explain the third one?
Yes. We will discuss all the answers. I'm just waiting for Kai's.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished? Okay. Okay. So first one we discussed. Second one, which is the hottest and the coldest? Who will tell me?
Jammu is the hottest and Bangalore
And
is the
Bangalore, coldest, ma'am.
How can Jammu be the hottest?
Ma'am, it's written in the table.
Ah,
Ma'am, I was right.
yes. Tell me how you said that Jammu is the hottest one.
Ma'am, because Jammu has 41 degrees.
Yes, ma'am. It has the
Yes.
highest.
Yes. Okay. And the coldest one?
Bangalore, the
Bangalore.
maximum is 28.
Yes. But in the coldest one, you will look for the minimum.
Oh,
And the
okay.
hottest one, you will look for the maximum. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, next. Name 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other.
In 2 countries, the maximum.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
See, over here, there is no particular answer. It's like you have to tell 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum. So you can take any of the 2 cities and you can compare it, right? Over here, for example, let's just take Amritsar. Okay, so Amritsar is 37, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
and Bangalore. So you are comparing these two. So over here, what is the thing? That one is, this is more and this is less. Here again, this is more, this is less. So this cannot be the pair, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
ma'am.
I just need this one should be less, this one should be more, right? Let's just compare these two. This one is more, this one is less. This one is more, this one is less. So can this be the pair,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can take any pair. There is no particular solution. Then next question, name the cities which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature.
I'm Bangalore.
Bangalore?
Yes, ma'am.
And yes. Okay. So now coming, wait. No, this is Mumbai. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 5. And for Bangalore, it is
Ma'am,
7.
it's 7.
So who will be the minimum? Mumbai, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Tashin?
Sorry, ma'am.
See, whenever these type of questions comes, what you have to do basically, you have to find the solution for every question like this. Can you see this? How they have done? Difference
Yes.
in the minimum and maximum for all. Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, for everyone. So that whenever you get the answer, you know the solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, can I come back in 2 minutes?
Yes, come. Okay. Now over here, this is what? The question. Okay. Just come, Tashin, quickly. Then I need to discuss one important topic. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm back. And what are we supposed to do?
Yes. Now we are going to discuss one very important topic, which is this. Right? Like basically it's a part of like what will be the probability.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So let's just see.
Yes.
For example, over here, this was a box. Okay? Over there, these are the balls. Red ball, blue ball, red ball, green ball, purple ball. Okay? This is you, right? I asked you to randomly pick out one ball.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So
Yes.
over here, for example, I ask you, what is the possibilities that you will, like your eyes are closed, you cannot see anything. You're just picking up the ball from this box. Okay. So I ask you, what will be the probability of getting, what are the possible chances that you get a red ball? What are the possible chances that you get a blue ball? What are the possible chances that you get a green ball? What are the possible chances that you get a purple ball? Clear?
Ma'am, the possible chances of getting a red ball is like something like 51% or like 31%.
Okay. How?
Because there are 2 red balls.
Okay. So see. You don't have to write in percentage. I'll just tell you only the exact answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, see, how many red balls are there? 2 red balls. So
Red ball.
the possibilities will be 2 divided by how many totals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right.
Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
the possibility of getting a red ball is 2 divided by 5. Clear? And
Ma'am,
the
it's like the sum of observation and number
yes.
of.
So it is basically the favorable outcomes. Like how favorable outcomes can come divided by total number of outcomes.
Outcome.
Clear? So how many red balls can come? Only 2 red balls can come, na? But how many
Yes, ma'am.
total balls are there? 5. So it will be
Yes.
2 by 5. For example,
Yes,
over here, the same questions I'm giving. For example, this is the scenario, right?
Yes.
Blue ball, blue ball, blue ball, pink ball, right? And pink ball like this. So for blue, what will be the probability? 3
3
by?
by 5. 5.
Yes. And for pink ball?
2 by 5.
And for black ball?
0 by 5.
Yes, 0 by 5. Getting it, Tashi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So first you will write the formula. Favorable outcome. Let me just write it again. Right? Favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcome. Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is your question. This one. Very easy question. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So one by one, you will answer it. First question. You are older today than yesterday. What do you think? You are
Ma'am,
older today
certain.
than yesterday.
Certain.
Certain?
Yes.
Certain to happen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Because of course you are older than yesterday. For example, you were 11.5. Today
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will be 11.6. Right? 6
Yes, ma'am.
months. Right? So this is what. Second, a tossed coin will land heads up. You are tossing a coin and the
Can happen, but not certain.
yes, can happen but not certain. Yes, Tashin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Tashin will tell a die. Dice, you know that when we play Ludo and all that. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
A die when tossed shall land with 8 on top.
Ma'am, it's not possible.
Yes. Why? Because in the die we have
It only
only
has 6.
yes. So it is impossible. Then next one, Kais will tell the next traffic light seems will be green.
Certain to happen, ma'am.
How?
Because the traffic light after red will become green.
Where I have written that it will be red.
Oh,
They
okay,
say
nice.
the next traffic
You
light seem to be green.
Yes, ma'am.
You never know, na?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. Yes.
So can happen but not certain. Right?
Yes,
Of
ma'am.
course, if it is in yellow, automatically it will be green. But for example, if it is in red, how can it be green, right? So can
Yes,
happen
ma'am.
but not certain. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hmm. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day, Tashin?
Yes, ma'am. For me, it will be rainy.
It would be?
Rainy.
No. I'm asking you the answer. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, it is possible. If it's like a sunny day, then so there are some possibilities. But if it's like a cloudy day today, then it might be tomorrow as well.
Yes. So which one will you choose? Can happen but not certain. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to the next one, this question. Right? So do this question in your notebook with the proper formula and then we will discuss the answer. Okay, question number 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Okay, we'll just wait for Tashi.
Ma'am, I couldn't understand. Can you explain me again?
Okay. So the question itself says there are 6 marbles in a box with a number 1 to 6. So what you can do? You can make a box, right? And over here it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Done? So they are asking you, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So if this is you are randomly picking out a marble. So what will be the probability that you pick this one? Tell me.
1 by 5.
Tashin, what do you think? 1 by 5.
Yes.
Tashin, what do you think? You remember the formula? Favorable outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes are there? How many 2's are there? Only 1 2 is there, right? How many total number of outcomes are there? Tell me. Guys, how many total are there?
6, ma'am.
So how you said 1 upon 5?
Because there's only one of them out
So
of the 6.
total, what are the total? What is your formula? 1 is fine, but why you didn't wrote 6? Why you wrote 5?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I got distracted and I told 5. It was 6. Sorry.
Yes, because it will be 6. Tashin, you got it? Can you hear me? Tashin, can you hear me? I think
Yes,
she's
ma'am, I got it.
okay. So for next one, tell me, Tashin, second one, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? How many 5 are there?
1.
So what is the total?
1 by 5.
Huh? Total.
1 by 6.
Yes, right? So for both the, it will be this. Okay. Now quickly let's discuss this. Question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So there are only 2 outcomes and only one will come. For example, your team choose head, right? So what is the probability of getting a head? 1. And how many chances, total outcomes are there? 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's it for today, students. Okay. So we'll meet in the next class. In the next class, what I will be doing, I'll be giving you some random questions from data handling. So I'm just mentioning what we have mentioned. Mean we have done, right? Mode
Yes.
we have done. Median
Yes.
we have done. Range we have done, right?
Graph.
Bar graph we have done. Double bar graph we have done. And one more last topic, probability we have done. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to prepare all this concept. In the next class, I'll make a question paper for you people.